viewers, we are back with episode 2 of Vocabulary Voyage series. As I mentioned, in every episode of this Vocabulary Voyage series from A to Z, we will covering 3 words in every episode. So those who had missed the first episode, episode 1, in which we have started the Vocabulary Voyage series from A to Z in alphabetical order. So in episode 1, we have covered 3 words with their meaning and with their practical usage in English sentences. Now in episode 2, we will again covering 3 words in alphabetical order. So we are still in the letter A. So don't go anywhere. In the next slide, we will start our 4th word of this Vocabulary Voyage series and first word of episode 2. So viewers, now we will discuss the 4th word of Vocabulary Voyage series A to Z and the second and the first one of episode 2. So the first and the fourth one word is abeyance. You will be seeing on the board A-B-E-Y-A-N-C-E. Abeyance. Its meaning is suspended action. Its meaning is suspended action. So abeyance means suspended action. Now we will learn its usage through practical example. You will be seeing on the board, the deal was held in abeyance until his arrival. The deal was held in abeyance until his arrival. It means the deal was suspended until he arrived. Until he arrived, the deal will be resolved. So we have learned the 4th word of this Vocabulary Voyage series A to Z is abeyance. Abeyance means suspended action. Hope you have get the knowledge and learn this word abeyance. Now in the upcoming slide, we will learn the 5th word of Vocabulary Voyage series and the second one of this episode 2. Stay connected with us. So viewers, now we will be learning the second word of this episode 2. You will be seeing on the board, the word is abjure. A-B-J-U-R-E. Abjure. Its meaning is renounce upon oath. Abjure meaning is renounce upon oath. Now we will learn its practical usage through sentences. Its sentence is, he abjured his allegiance to the king. He abjured his allegiance to the king. Now here we learn a new word, allegiance. Allegiance means loyalty. So this sentence, he abjured his allegiance to the king, mean that he renounced upon oath that he will be showing loyalty to the king. So now we are done. Through this simple and fun and engaging technique, we have learned the 5th word of this Vocabulary Voyage series A to Z and the second word of this episode 2, which was abjure. In the next slide, we will be learning the 6th word of this Vocabulary Voyage series and the last word and the 3rd word of this episode 2. Stay connected with us. Don't go anywhere. Now we will be discussing the last word of this episode 2nd, and it is abrade. A-B-R-A-D-E. Abrade. Abrade means wear away by friction. Abrade means wear away by friction, or its other simple meaning is erode. E-R-O-D-E. Erode. So abrade means wear away by friction or erode. Now we will learn this word through practical example in sentence. In sentence is, the skin of his leg was abraded by the sharp rock. The skin of his leg was abraded by the sharp rock. It means the skin of his leg was wear away by friction or eroded by touching it with the sharp rock. So viewers, through this fun and engaging technique, we have learned all the 3 words of episode 2. So up till now in this Vocabulary Voyage series, we have uploaded episode 1 and episode 2 and we have covered 6 words. As I mentioned, in every episode we will be covering 3 words. So stay connected with us in this whole series of Vocabulary Voyage A to Z in order to learn vocabulary of English dictionary from A to Z in alphabetical order. For those who are new, do subscribe our YouTube channel so that all my videos should be reached to you on time. And share it with your friends and relatives who are interested. Thanks a lot. We'll see you in the episode 3.